bit fast.
You still be YouTubing?
Yeah.
I'm like, what on M's at? If a nigga get out there party, I peeled on reels at. No trapping was out here slaying slap more than a.
I think I gave up on my dream, twin.
I ain't say you did.
Nah, he didn't. But I ain't give up on the dream, brother. Nigga still be cool. Corey supposed to be streaming, brother. He bullshitting, bro.
Shit, no, I ain't streaming.
What you want to do? You try to push it, Kelly? What the show? Kelly the savage, brother. Huh? You hold it down. Oh, yesterday Kelly was stomping through the snow, brother. It's part 2. A snow day. Thank God they gave us snow the second day. Well, they let the snow.
I feel like I knew it, man.
Like, this shit real fucking ice, bro. Yeah, this real ice, brother. I gotta stop cursing on the channel, but part 2, I don't know what we finna do today. But you know I'm about to make this to the movie.
No, Walmart open?
Yeah, that's a joke. That's how you coming?
Y'all coming? Hey, what's up with y'all, man? I know y'all ain't seen young nigga in so long. Hey, this puffer hard, though. That's what I need.
Right.
Man, y'all see, man, snow in the city, man. Shit going away, though, man. Niggas sad. Y'all say goodbye to the snow.
Yeah.
Y'all see the baby. I don't even know if we gonna be able to sled, bro.
I got my scooter.
Got a scooter?
Yeah, I got my scooter. I made sure I went to go get that bitch. Yeah. She about to grab, bro.
Oh, it's tenders. Like a tenders and chicken.
Tenders and chicken, bro. They got the whole fucking city. I'm about to tell them grab that motherfucker.
Nigga really fuck around and go buy some food and feed the homeless.
Real talk. They got buku homeless people outside too. Tell them rev that motherfucker.
Where's the window? Now we get our blessings and shit.
Oh, we got our blessing.
Buy some food, feed the homeless too.
Yeah.
Well, we can do that, bro. Like,
Rev your dig. Let me hear some shit. Just step on that bitch.
And that just stopped.
shit gone. Shit stay gone. That boy got, bro. Come on.
That bitch fine? That bitch fine.
That bitch amazing. Push the
Oh, alright.
Yeah. That bitch amazing, brother. Slide that bitch out. Oh, she about to fall. See, that bitch about to fall. Alright, she don't know how to get on that ice. Oh, he thugging to it. He thug it. We got his cameraman right here. Say what's down, brother. Yeah, that's cuz right there, brother. I ain't mean to disrespect you and say cameraman. But you know, cuz right there. My cameraman in the cut, nigga, you wanna get out there,
Man, why you not working, man?
Man, fuck.
Supposed to be working.
They supposed to be working, brother. They loving this shit, brother.
Hey, I way down. I don't think I can take. I've been on this long road.
Y'all can see, gang. We got a tire right here. We about to go down this motherfucker, brother.
With the scooter?
Yeah, with the tire. We got the Mustang right here, brother. This the second day of the snow day, gang. Turn me up, nigga. Quarter camera.
Yeah, water in that bit.
Huh?
Water. I want your pants to get wet. Damn, though. This is once in a lifetime, huh?
Once in a lifetime, brother. We gotta
Talks,
enjoy
man.
this shit, bro.
Pants.
Taking the whole hike. Bro, look at all this, gang.
Real talk, though. That bit thick as hell.
Outside on the bread, shorty. Outside on the bread, shorty.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Man, what the fuck? I ain't even see that. My bad. My bad. Dude bust out his ass. Oh, shit, no. I ain't even see that shit.
What the fuck?
Tripping.
This nigga man.
Fuck no.
I'm about to do the same thing, but I kept my balance.
Fuck no. What that was good?
Oh,
See you on the camera.
I'm about to say, I don't think this is
shit. Good.
Fuck, I'm about to be soaking wet, son.
Good. Good.
Yeah, brother.
For sure. Damn. Dude, bust out his ass, man. Ooh.
Oh, they got slide.
Let me see if my ride scooter right quick.
I get in that bitch.
Yeah, every time you gotta ball up in that bitch.
I'm just outside on the bird shot, you know that?
He flying.
I ain't gonna got though. That bitch fucking with
You good? You good, brother? Ooh, damn, nigga. You good, brother? Ooh, damn, nigga. Nigga, I got the bitch. What the fuck? Can you go by you fall going up, brother? New Orleans East, brother. New Orleans East on the birds, bro. They getting the ice out the road right now. Shit is really just us on the birds, bro. It's really like, it's a rare blessing, brother. Like, we all just enjoying snow, brother. Like, no bad, brother. I never seen the city so happy, like this happy, brother. Like, I never seen New Orleans really so happy, brother. Like, the snow brought happiness to New Orleans, brother. And whoever controlling the weather, brother, nigga, I appreciate you, brother, for bringing snow to over here, bro. I appreciate you. What'd you say, Cole? Go say, fuck the weather, cold. Cold right now. But shit, we outside on the birds, bro. Like I said, brother, like the snow, this bit brought so much joy to New Orleans, brother. Like, that's really what New Orleans needed, like some memories and shit. Last time we had snow, it was like really ice and shit. But nigga, Colorado came to us, bro. I was supposed to go to Colorado for my birthday, brother. But Colorado came to me, bro, and I could really see. This is my birthday gift right here, and I'm grateful for this. Y'all better subscribe.
Oh,
Y'all better subscribe, brother. I'm doing this shit for y'all. I'm busting my ass for y'all, bro.
snap.
We made it to the bottom of. What the?
We'll go play in the Snoop.
I did another yesterday, bitch.
Oh!
Fuck the police, boy. Ain't no police outside, boy.
Them boys just on the bread.
The boys just on the break. They saw it.
Yeah, I see.
But I don't think them bitches ain't trying to make their job hard, brother.
Nigga hands starting to freeze.
Man, we gotta find another spot. I see the lake.
Yeah, she was on the lake.
We about to go to the lake.
To the lake. I
We outside.
I know where I take the
Yeah,
hoes at.
yeah.
Alright.
Bitch, you know we finna fuck if I go take you to the lake.
Wow.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
Y'all don't see me?
Nigga, it's a slider. Ooh! Ooh!
We at City Park with it now, bro. We got the Mustang out here. We got the 79 booth out here.
We got
The motherfucking
The-
SRT. Fucking scooter. Wait till I mod this bitch, bro. When nigga mod this scooter, brother. Shit go. Wait till I create my own scooter. We don't condone none of this. Like nobody, none of y'all do this, bro. None of y'all do this.
Man, fuck all that. We gonna sneak and sit in the park. Yeah. Christmas in the whatever the fuck that shit called. Fuck all, yeah.
That bitch called a rise or some shit like that. But you in that. We don't condone it. No trespass. You about to take that attempt, brother. Don't try this at home, bro. I was gonna do the Six Flags in Mitchell. Real talk. They gonna go do that.
Let's get them and tell them they gonna have animals in there.
Alright.
Say, but there's only one thing though. I ain't lying, cool.
They be having like animals and shit like that.
But y'all gotta watch.
Animals?
Yeah. Well,
You gotta watch them bitches.
you think they not gonna go in there?
Like I'm talking possums and shit.
But y'all gotta be aware of that shit. Like, if they chase you, I'm out of this.
No. Oh. Tom, shake back. Shake back. Shake back.
Ain't gonna put this in there. Shit, you know what I mean?
Somebody come on after me.
He got the park on top.
I ain't going there.
I ain't gone up there neither, bro. It's tough, man. Counting up there.
We up here, brother. Wait. Wait. We gotta be able to slide up. This nigga clumsy. Chill. He getting too cold, but you gotta come down. You gotta come down this dude. I'm
Cold, I ain't gonna cap.
about to go down there first.
See, I ain't gonna cap. Look. And
What you about to say?
oh, I forgot they was down there.
Say, they got snow in the hole?
I don't know, see. Yeah. I don't know, see, brother. You gotta slide in that bitch.
Say they got snow.
No, don't got nothing.
If I get stuck in snow, bitch, I'm... Bro, for real, bro, a nigga get stuck in snow time. What the fuck? Bro, the fuck? Say y'all gotta go down there, bro. Go down there, bro. Who next, bro? No, it's good, bro. You good. Oh! See? Pop next.
Down for
Go, Pop.
See? Yeah, with the camera. My bad. Boy, why to get up there? Huh? They got a cuck on me. Oh! I didn't even know. Very tight.
I am cold.
Go down slide, Reese.
That bitch say no. That bitch say no, brother. Like, bro. What? That boy come walking this way. Boy walking this way.
If a nigga out there party, I peel them rails at. On the trap, he was out and slaying slap more than the real. I had a game.